are on our way home. We have about 4-hour drive. Hopefully about a 4-hour drive. There's Lee.
Good morning, everyone.
And obviously, hopefully the traffic's not too bad and not too many diversions like on the way up here. But yeah, it's really early. It's still only 8:31, but we like to get moving early as possible. So we are well on the way home now. We had to stop to get some diesel, but it's looking quite good so far, isn't it? Fingers crossed. It's so far so good, but we've not even hit the motorways yet, so we'll just see what happens. Kids are still chilling in the back there on their tablets. Madison, Sienna, Cadia, and you should see Cadia there. Smile! I don't know what's up with her. She's sulking. So yeah, we're just all going good so far. So we'll just wait and see what happens. Sad to be going home, because we really liked it up here, but all holidays come to an end, unfortunately. Obviously we're moving quite nicely, but I think we're going to hit some traffic in a little while. The A1, A14?
Yeah, I think the A1 is closed. We're at the junction of, I think, the A14, or it might be that the A14 is closed as well. I'm not entirely sure. I just heard it on the radio that there's an accident between a lorry and a car. So definitely the A1's blocked and closed, so we'll see what way it's heading, because apparently there's diversions in place, but they're sending them through the little villages like Huntingdon and places like that. So of course them little villages are now getting backed up, so we'll see. Obviously if we hit traffic, obviously we'll let you know and we'll show you. And hopefully, obviously, it won't be too bad, but who knows? We'll see.
Yeah, as Lee said, yeah, we're not sure what or how much traffic we're going to hit, but it's been quite easy going so far.
The radio is actually saying it's looking pretty bad.
The radio said it's looking pretty bad everywhere. So we're estimated to get home at 12:31, but it probably will be longer than that, because we're bound to have to stop off for a toilet break and obviously stretch our legs, and also purely because of traffic. On the way up here, it brought us through Huntingdon. It brought us through Huntingdon.
Yeah.
On the way up here, because they were replacing a bridge, so it's likely we'll have to go back that way again on the way home. So we've just come down the A1 and we're just going to A14. It looks like the traffic is not going to affect us that much.
No, luckily we're going the other way.
We're going the other way. The accident's on the other side, and there's an Arctic lorry with a container ship on its side. There's long tailbacks.
With
so,
a container ship?
Is that what you said?
It's got a shipping container, not a container ship.
Oh, a shipping container on the back, sorry. I thought that's what Lee said.
Everywhere.
It's
every angle you look coming from,
so,
going up towards A1, going northbound.
Probably not going to see it now.
No.
Got a Snapchat of it.
Yeah, the lorry's taking up all 3 lanes, and there's about 4 ambulances. There's about 4 ambulances and 4 police cars.
Right, so is it on
And I'm not sure if there's a fire engine.
No, it's not on, but like saving.
not sure,
Right, so
but
send it
people
over
are
to
going to be
our,
there for a long time. So if you're heading out, go on.
Right, so update, anyone that is interested, Sienna has actually got a bit of a video. I don't think it's very long.
It's not long.
On her Snapchat, so she's just in the middle of putting it up to all of our social media.
We don't have Snapchat.
No, not our Snapchat. We ain't got Snapchat, but she's putting it up to Instagram and TikTok. I think she's putting it up to them. So if you want to head over there and get an idea and gauge yourself what's going on, then by all means please do. Yep, another one.
This is another, obviously, tailback, probably a result of the one further down. And as you can see, it's just literally, it's chocker, it's just not moving, but we are moving quite well.
Luckily southbound is...
But that's northbound, is it?
That is northbound.
That's
yeah.
northbound towards Lincolnshire.
Yep.
The lorry, the cab's on its side, isn't it?
Yeah.
The cab's on
Like
its
the whole
side,
lot,
and it's
cab trailer all on its side.
everything's on its side. Apparently there was a car involved as well. I didn't see the car, did you?
I didn't see the car.
I didn't see the car, but we definitely saw the lorry and the lorry, the cab and its trailer's all on its side, and it's blocking all 3 lanes. So they've got a rolling roadblock at the moment. They've got about 8 emergency vehicles, I would say.
I see at least 6 ambulances.
Yeah.
And I would say I see at least 8 police cars. Then you've got your recovery trucks that are on scene, luckily. So that's one good thing. They are already on scene working on it.
So yeah, so we just stopped to get something to eat because I have had no breakfast. I haven't even had a chance to brush my hair this morning, and I think we're at Cambridge Services. I'm not sure. Is it Cambridge Services?
Yes.
Cambridge Services. So we just stopped. We're just having something to eat. The kids are having some sweets, and
But we'll be getting on the road.
But we'll be getting on the road
pretty damn
pretty
fast because it's so hot here. It's ridiculous.
yeah, it's very, very hot here. So the quicker we get back on the road, yeah, gone back on, the better it'll be.
No,
So-
not yet.
Yep, that's what we're doing at the moment. So we're on the move again. Traffic's been quite nice to us today. And what road are we on now? M11. We're on the M11 and I feel sorry for them poor people stuck on the A1 because they're going to be there for a long, long time. And they're trying everything they can to get people moving because it's really, really hot out this way. So our estimated time of arrival at home now is 1:29 PM. So hopefully we'll get there without any too many hiccups. So we're across the Dartford crossing, so we're not far from home now. Yay! The comforts of our own home. The bed wasn't that comfy, so we haven't really slept great for the last 4 nights, but it was nice to get away. Our first post-lockdown holiday, and there'll be plenty more to come hopefully, provided nothing else happens with this virus. And as you found out, we are quite spontaneous. We do just up and go, just like that. And yeah, we're about 30 miles from home, so I really, really do hope that we don't have any more traffic because it's been really good, hasn't it? It's been really good to us on the way back home, which is not normally the case. Don't we get stuck in every bit of traffic going? But... Right, so we had to take a detour because the M2 was absolutely chock-a-block. There's probably an accident, always an accident between them 2 junctions. And we were just coming down the A road and looks like there's an accident or something there, so luckily Lee knows where he is, and as he says, we're in his neck of the woods now where he used to live, so bit of a detour, but we'll get home eventually. Went up another road and obviously that one was closed too, so I think we're just going to stick to the main road, aren't we?
Yeah, well, kind of.
As much as we can stick to the main road. Yeah, so there's 2 roads, one blocked and one closed. So
one blocked my lorry, and the other one they did roadworks on that I knew nothing about. So the 2 ways I know, they blocked. So route number 3.
So we know. So I know where I am now, so I feel a bit more confident. But yeah, seems to be all go down here. It was going really well on the way home, and then all of a sudden it all went pear-shaped.
Because you could have really, you're still going better than you think, because you could have still been sitting on the M2 in the traffic. So.
Yeah, we could still be sat on the M2 in traffic, and I didn't want that in 32-degree heat. It's a bit cooler down here than what it is up there, isn't it? So yeah, definitely, obviously, be glad to get home. Right, we are home now and obviously relaxing. Journey wasn't too bad until we got kind of down our neck of the woods, and then we hit traffic, so we had to take a detour, but we're all home, thank God. I can sleep in my own bed tonight. And obviously, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.